Tips and tricks for combating acid reflux. The time has come to end your acid reflux suffering. To do this, you need to understand the disease and what makes it flare up. You also have to understand what can help to keep it at bay. All of this knowledge and more lies below, so learn all you can from this video. Enjoy your food. If you savor each bite, investigating the flavors and truly allowing yourself to taste it, you will chew more and even eat less. Your stomach will realize it's full when you eat slowly, which allows you to keep your weight in check by eating less and also keep your stomach from overfilling. The most significant factor attributed with acid reflux is being overweight. Those who are obese are 2 times more likely to have GERD than someone who is at a healthy weight. The pressure on your stomach of all the extra pounds can cause the esophageal sphincter to relax, allowing acid to give you trouble. The more fluid you drink during your meal, the more volume is placed in your stomach. This causes more distension in the stomach and adds pressure to the lower sphincter of the esophagus, creating the perfect condition for acid reflux. Try drinking between meals and drink water in small sips rather than big gulps. Exercise is an important habit for those who have GERD, but your timing is key. Wait for 2 hours after eating before you become active, and don't follow your activity with a sports drink as they are acidic and can make your GERD flare up. Instead, drink water or milk to refuel. Limit your liquid intake with meals if you're prone to acid reflux. Even healthy beverages like water can fill up your stomach fast, creating conditions that are conducive to acid reflux. Sip your beverage conservatively and never gulp it down. Wait a half an hour after a big meal to enjoy quenching your thirst. Never, ever, ever lie down after you eat. Even if you have only had a few bites, you may find that food comes back to haunt you in short order if you lie down. Eat all meals at least 2 hours before lying down for a nap or overnight to ensure that acid doesn't sneak back up your esophagus. Do you now understand the ins and outs of acid reflux? If so, you will be able to tame this condition and regain a comfortable lifestyle. If not, consider watching more videos to find out all you can. The more knowledgeable you are, the more likely you are to truly feel good again. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.